This certifies that Mr. Rondar Ferro Sanal, 30 years, son of Rondar Tobi Anal and Mistress Gail himself, Anal of Anupat Baptist Church, and Ms. Telian Aldani, co 32 years, daughter of Telian Ismail Co, and Mistress B.S. Devi Sanal of Townsend Baptist Church were solemnly united in Christian marriage according to the ordinance of the living Lord on the 20th day of February in the year of our Lord 2026 at the Anupat Baptist Church. Masigi Saki say witness say miyani sweet away. The pastor ki leire, aduga executive secretary Reverend Phil Tampuki showing Yahweh aduga sagi masigi minister ki showing Yahweh. So they are no longer two but one. What therefore God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Matthew 19:6.